So this is the bell. This bell was an idea by Chili to signify every time we do $1,000 in a day. Now, this is the very beginning of our business because we are actually doing more than $1,000 a day. But every time we hit $1,000 for the day, we ring the bell. So we just wanted to show that wherever we're at in the future, whatever warehouse we're at, whatever place that we're at, we want to continue this. So we're starting from home, but we're gonna look back 5 years from now and be like, remember that bell that we got from Amazon? You know what I mean? To just signify as we grow our business.
So before we got the bell, we would just text each other like little gifts of people ringing bells, like silly bell ringing, like, yay, we made, where we hit our goal for the day. So we're like, let's get a real bell. So we are not, what are we at right now for the day?
So
Almost 500?
at noon, yeah.
At noon, so.
And that's normal. That's a normal.
That is normal.
Wednesday.
So that bell is for $1,000 a day only.
Yep. So, and we ring it. We ring it every day. We ring it every day this month.
We have.
We are doing tremendous. So, yeah, this means a lot. This is funny.
It is.
We will look back at this and be like, remember that? But wait, this is going to be the OG bell. This is going to be the OG bell.
Excuse me. This is a good quality, too. Like, it got the wood handle. All right, see you next week.
Appropriate. You're hungry? I'm hungry.
All right, it is 3:24, 5:39. We are at 1,500 for the day. Ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell. Okay. What time is it? It is 3:25. 3:50, and we have hit our goal for the day. Ring my bell. Ring my bell.
For the day.
Yay! Okay, so as I got you on the video, Big Daddy,
Yes.
we have been working towards hitting a goal for the month. We've been recording our journey. So today is the 25th, and what happened today?
We officially hit $30,000.
In 1 month. 25 days. Yay! Do a cartwheel, Lou. Do a cartwheel. Woo! 35. Hit that note. $1,000. Hit it, Lou. Hit it. 35. Hit it, babe.
What's 35?
Oh, 30 in 25 days. We're going to hit 35. Give me 5 more days. Oh, 5 more days is $1,000 a day. So we're going to hit 35.
I know. It's not emotional, but it's like.
Watch that candle, Mama.
You and Kendall.
Stand over here. Get away from that candle.
Yeah, you and Kendall are sworn enemies.
Leave her alone.
I don't even know how to feel. Because in the beginning of this journey, the beginning of this month, the first 2 days, remember how we were acting?
Anxious and like it was a prank. Like we were punked. We're like, what's going on? Now it's like, oh, Carl's, we would have been hit it by now. What? It's 3 o'clock. We would already hit it by now. We're running late today.
I definitely didn't say that. That's not cool.
We're running late.
I did not say that. I just like to push. I just like to continue to push, so that we continue to over exceed. Because what did I say in the beginning of the month? I said, hey, if we do 25, see?
What?
People just randomly in our damn neighborhood.
Yeah, because earlier this month, it took us about till 9 o'clock to get to 1,000.
Yes.
We were pushing like 9s, 10s to get that 1,000. And lately it's been
noon sometimes.
Noon. 3 is good.
Yeah.
It's been an interesting journey. It's been a roller coaster in the first 25 days to the rest of our life.
Because you said we would do 30.
Yes. And you said, 25, 25.
I'll be happy with 25. And in 25 days, we did 30.
So in 30 days from the month, and we will check back in 5 days.
5 days.
Peace.
Yeah,
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Oh,
Happy
my
birthday.
husband's birthday is on the 29th. Oh, let's see. So what should we be at? How many days in this month?
31.
31. So get it, girl. Get it. Come on. Get it.
I'll make $4,000 by Tuesday.
Daddy's birthday. So we'll be at 34,000 on Daddy's 36th birthday. Oh, babe, what if we make 36 this month for your 36th birthday? I'm going to push it.
37.
You're going to be 37? I wrote 36 on my phone. When you turn 36? You were just 35. Okay, I got to go. Bye. Lulu hit it, wrong it first, but go ahead. Ring. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.